In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the MTS 30-day trading challenge tracking sheet. Very, very simple. You're going to start on row 5 right here. You're going to put in the date and the day of your trade. You're going to put in your starting balance, whatever that is. You're going to come in here to this area in the D2 area and you're going to put your daily goal percentage. This isn't going to change every day unless you wanted to, but in your beginning, you put whatever you want to do here. 1%, 2%, 3%, 50%, whatever you want your daily goal to be. This row will reflect this number times this number. You'll never do anything in this column. Do not change the numbers in this column. Do not change the numbers in this column. This is simply your goals based on whatever number you put right here under the tracking sheet. So the next thing you want to do is you want to adjust. So on day one, you go out and your goal, your minimum goal, if you're at 5%, is to get to $35. If you're at, let's say we adjust this and it's $700 that you're starting out with, right? So $700, I need to earn 35 bucks or more to get to my goal. But let's say I did $42. I'm going to put the $42 over here, right? And because I've created a formula for you, when you add the $42 over here, it'll automatically update this. So let's say today is Tuesday, right? And let's say today's date is January 6th, because it is, right? So January 6th, Tuesday, starting balance was $700. My goal was $35. I actually traded, and you put the number of contracts in here you want to trade. So maybe you did 3 contracts. You got the 42 bucks, right? 1 contract, 2 contracts, whatever you're doing. And that's all you've got to do. The only numbers that you have to change are you're going to insert your starting balance here. You're going to put your goal percentage here. And as your profit and loss in your TOS shows up, you simply add it over here. So the next day, my goal is $37.10. But let's say I did $31. Right? So I put $31 there. It updates my balance over here automatically. Now my next day I've got to earn $38. So let's say this day I have a really good day based on my analysis and everything I've marked up. I do $72. As you go along, it's going to tell you what your 5% goal is. And of course, you can put your how many contracts you're trading in this area if you want to, not required. This is just a more of a sheet to say, okay, I'm doing pretty good. I'm staying ahead of my goal at 3 contracts. It's giving me the ability to get in, trade, set my entry, set my target profit, set my stop loss, and I'm doing good before. So what if I have a negative day? So let's say I have a negative day. So simply put a minus in front of it and say you did minus $40, right? Put a minus in front of it. It'll adjust the balance over here in column C. So that's all you got to do is you're going to come in here, put your starting balance right here, put your percentage of goal that you want to have, 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever your number is, it's your number, right? And then all you got to do in this column is just look at your profit and loss column on your TOS and put that in here, and it will automatically adjust the new balance. Is this going to be exactly accurate to what you have in TOS because of fees? No, it doesn't work. It works on live or demo. You can do it. If you want to do it, I'll balance adjust. The way I like to is when I get to the end of the week, and let's just say this one was 55, right? So I get to the end of the week, I just like to highlight it in a sort of a turquoisey green color like this. And I call this my balance adjust. I'll just put a note over here, say balance adjust, and whatever that is based to get it to as close as I can to my live balance. And let's say I need to take off $23 to get a balance adjustment based on my fees. And it'll adjust it down to the next day. So now I'm starting out the following week. And I like to do this a week at a time, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you start on Tuesday, that's fine. It doesn't matter. You don't have to wait till Monday. However you want to do it, you can, right? And just adjust these. Put the date, the day, your balance, your starting balance up here. And again, your starting or what percentage you want. So maybe you get 100 trades in, you decide, I'm going to bump this and I'm going to do 8% a day. So bump to 8%. It's going to give you the new balances. And then just as you go along each day, go to your profit and loss statement and put the number in here. And if you need to do an adjustment over on this side to adjust your balance, so as you trade, you can go through this. So hopefully this helped. This is Forrest out in St. Louis. I appreciate you. I love you. Jesus loves you. There's absolutely nothing you can do about that. Enjoy the spreadsheet. Enjoy trading. Have a happy trading day. Happy 2026.